Yo-ho-ho! For this time around, I started on a bossing character, Stormburst Totems. Ended up not bossing that much because I saw mercs pretty early. They were fun AF. So I did a lot of, you can see my fingers, but I'm doing like caution signs, bossing. Mercs ended up being stronger than basically Uber bosses, I guess. So I farmed a bunch of money off of those, and now I made a mapping character, which you can probably see at the end, me getting some drops. Anyways, enjoy.
Kulda tuli praegu siit.
Jälle no steep league mechanics on.
90 kilo lihtsalt ühe korra chardinud.
Think about this. 2 Nightmare Masks is 1 Meerkat Emblem.
Please don't märk.
I feel like you get 2 Nightmare Masks for 1 Meerkat Emblem.
Like
every single time, no?
tere, kuidas saab üks märk nii tugev olla?
Nii et see, et ma enne sain ka Divine Airilt One'i, see ei tähenda seda, et mu pild nõrk oleks.
I mean, see märk ennast fucking ridiculous. Mageblood! 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 Mageblood!
No see oli ka väärt, et...
Fucking Divine
ma nüüd elan Diskres ja ma...
Memory Vault. What do I get? 95% of the game's shooters. That's so fucked. That's actually so fucked up. Hello support. Fuck is hello support? Hello support. How much is that?
See Warp Time piece Chaos Rest maksab veidi.
See on midagi, mingi selle skill effect regression'iga mingi asi. Aga ma täpselt ei mäleta, mis seal oli. The Screaming Cube. 7 euros. Having it paid is probably the best. Reduces the cheaters by quite a bit. Defiance of Destiny. Wait, that's a tier 0 unique, by the way. I mean, that's a pretty good first vault. How much is it though? 750 mil XP and lens is probably pretty expensive as well. Holy rewards. Defiance of Destiny is tentative. Okay. Money. Yo, top right vault. I see you.
Times instead of a 1-4.
2 message'i nabatled aasta poole.
Siis sa äkki saad selle hea mappi ka sinna. Sa võib-olla saad selle, mis annab kõrvaleerijates message'i nabatleid. See andis mulle mingi...
Mirror of Calandra.
See on 2 mirror shard'i.
What the fuck?
Kui sa vendorid seda pane sellele Valerile.
Message slide on.
Alright, so first 30,000.
Helps you kill them faster.
Oo.
Mists are like way worse this league, right? They're way more
Nii, mis me leidsime?
Oh, reflecting mist ja lock. What? What the fuck? That's wild.
so it was pretty much just pure pain. And then
nii
he
verd
swapped
vastu
too
ja nii
early,
tugu
I think. He just didn't have the gear state that's required to play it with Stone Lich. So the build also looked shit again, and then he struggled for quite a while. I think if you do Lich,
Kalandros touch. Oh,
like, I don't want to say you have to know what... I mean, this is a lot of profit right now, because I think Elder maps are like 8
Oh.
each. And
Oh.
Conqueror
Power charge hero
maps were like 15 when I...
Eye of Terror. See on Eye of Terror.
see annab ka selle Watcher sai
on see
ei Magebladi vaata ei ole või? Uus, ma ei mäleta päris.
On jah Magebladi kaart. I guess I win.
Jah.
Tai üks klikk. I
running to the right
am
doors
a
also,
retard. Badabing. Oh, ei ole, see on halb. See on väga halb. Very bad, very bad, very bad. Andis ka. Üks 50 kuskil. Headhunter. Money! Oh, Headhunter.
Nice.
Nice.
no pudelist .
Nice. Time to die. Tuli ära, Mageblad. Tuli ära, see
No way.
Mageblad. Tuli ära. Võib-olla.
mis see tähendab ?
Ma saan sellele ära surra. Sain kätte. Let's go. Yo. A little bit of intermission here. Basically the tree I was using for the exile slash merc strat. The tree is here and the scarves are here. The idea behind what I was doing is basically I have as many exiles as possible. I have those exiles dupe, and those duped exiles would be spawning mercs with them on like a 50% chance from the scarp. So each map would have like 4+ mercs that would all drop uniques. And that's how I farmed my Mageblades, I guess. And Headhunters and Ralkish boots for the first week, pretty much. Second week, also kind of, sort of. But I ended up making a whole other build. Anyway, enjoy. Right, bruh. Hagin 30 quality Twilight Regalian 300 div. Ace. Mageblad. Yo, it happened!
Nice.
Money!
Blind.
Mageblad. I love money. Uh-oh. Careful. Ooh, nice. 120.
Yeah. Go hard there now.
Hunted.
mingi vend tuleb . ainult tõstab ühe jewel'i, läheb välja, siis tuleb tagasi, ostab teise jewel'i.
The fuck.
Kolmas kord niimoodi juba teeb sama vend.
Teleport, ma arvan, tal on vaata see...
Rarity hittasin.
Nice.
Nii palju siis mul reskapist.
kuidas siis kaua